Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my ultimate secret to earning 1.6 lakh rupees this month alone in swing trading. And now I know what you're thinking. There is no such thing called secret to swing trading success. And you're absolutely right. There is no such thing called guaranteed profits in swing trading. But there are certain things which you can do which can help increase your chances of success in swing trading. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top 3 tips to success in swing trading. And these tips are based on my own personal experience as a swing trader, and they have helped me to earn over 1.6 lakh rupees this month alone. Choose the right stocks. The first step to successful swing trading is to choose the right stocks. You need to choose stocks that are volatile and have the potential to give you big moves quickly. One indicator which you can use to identify stocks that are volatile is the ATR indicator. The ATR indicator helps us understand how much a stock's price tends to move on an average each day. So suppose the ATR is high for a stock, then it indicates that the stock tends to be volatile. Stocks with a high ATR are more likely to give the big moves, which is what we are looking for as a swing trader. Another way to find volatile stocks is to do sector rotation. Sector rotation is a phenomenon where some sectors outperform other sectors at different times. Finding which sector is currently in our favor can help us to narrow down on the right stocks which are more likely to give the big moves which we are looking for in the market. Use technical analysis. Technical analysis is the study of past price data and volume data to help us predict the future price movements. As a swing trader, I constantly use technical analysis to identify trends and momentum in the market. Some of my favorite indicators include MACD, RSI and moving averages. If you're new to swing trading, then I recommend you start with a simple technical analysis strategy. One simple strategy is to look for stocks that are crossing above the 50-day moving average, because this indicates that a new uptrend has started in that particular stock. Risk management. Risk management is essential for any trader, but especially for swing traders. Because as swing traders, what we do is we hold on to positions for over a few days or even weeks. So we need to be prepared for big losses. One way to manage our risk is to use stop loss orders. A stop loss order is an order to sell a stock in case the stock price falls below a certain level. Another risk management strategy is to do position sizing. Position sizing is a strategy in which you buy only a certain number of shares so that we are not overexposed to the market risk. So these are just some tips for swing trading. So if you're serious about making money in the stock market, then I encourage you to learn more about swing trading and to develop your own swing trading strategy. And remember, there is no such thing called guaranteed profit, but by using the tips which I have shared in this video, you can increase your chances of success in swing trading. If you're interested in learning more about swing trading, then please subscribe to my channel, because I will be releasing more videos in the future which will help you to learn about swing trading. So stay tuned. And if you have any questions about swing trading, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.